Hey guys, today I will show you how to change weapon in Monster Hunter World. Since this is the base game, Astera is the main hub you will be using. First, go to the item box closest to you. In this case, it's next to the quest board on your left. Interact with the item box and select Change Equipment. From here, choose Weapon. You will see all the weapons you own, including great swords, long swords, and more. Select the weapon you want, then confirm. Once selected, your character will immediately equip the new weapon. You can also change your armor, charms, and decorations from this same item box. Keep in mind that you cannot freely change weapons during a hunt, but you can go inside your camp and use the item box there to switch weapons. Trying different weapons is one of the best ways to learn the game and find a playstyle that suits you. If you are unsure which weapon to use, visit the training area from your room to test weapon movesets and combos without any pressure. And that is how to change weapon in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.